This pour started bold, turned dark, and ended up completely different than I expected. And honestly, that's what makes it interesting. Welcome back to the Art of Yayomi. Today I'm working on a 10 by 20 inch canvas using violet, blue, warm yellow, magenta, and black. I will add cell activator to each cup, then stack the puddles directly on top of each other to build contrast and tension right from the start. There's something incredibly satisfying about puddle pours. I love stacking the colors and watching how they sit on top of one another, how each layer holds its space before the movement begins. It's that quiet moment where the paint is still and you can already see the harmony forming. As the colors stack, they start to complement each other naturally. Some shades soften, some intensify, and together they create contrast before the blow dryer even touches the canvas. That moment is one of my favorite parts of the process. I hope as you watch this pour, you feel the same sense of calm and satisfaction, watching the colors meet, stretch, and reveal something unexpected. Sometimes the beauty is in the movement, and sometimes it's simply in the pause before it all begins. After stacking the puddles, I poured the remaining paint along both sides of the main puddle in straight lines. This helps frame the center and gives the blow dryer something to pull from once the movement begins. Using a blow dryer, I gently blew out the puddles, stretching the colors outward and letting the paint interact naturally. Short bursts of air helps open the paint without over mixing it, which is especially important when working with dark colors. Because black was poured last at the top of the painting, this piece turned out darker than most, but the darkness creates contrast. It allows the violets, blues, magentas, and warm yellow to peek through in unexpected ways. Dark pours aren't mistakes. They add drama and mystery. Sometimes they capture your attention even more than bright, colorful pieces. Fluid art doesn't always go the way you imagine. Some pours are light and airy, some are bold and vibrant, and some turn dark and moody. That's part of the process. You don't fight it, you observe it. In this art piece here, the longer you look, the more details you start to see. This painting is unique, layered, and full of abstract moments that invite interpretation. What I see might be different from what you see, and that's exactly how abstract art is meant to work. As the paint settled, the movement slowed, the colors found their place, and the piece revealed its own personality, darker, deeper, and completely its own. I hope you enjoyed this painting. Be sure to like and subscribe, and remember to stay creative and keep painting your life with colors that inspire you.